In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your Weebly store inventory. If you're looking to expand your online store or simply make updates, this quick guide will help you seamlessly integrate new products into your Weebly store. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to the Weebly homepage. You'll want to head to their website, so open your browser and type in weebly.com. Once there, locate the login button to get started. You can usually find this at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to log in with your email and password. If you have your credentials ready, enter them into the designated fields and click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Weebly dashboard. This dashboard serves as your control center for managing your website and its content. From here, click on the Overview option. This will give you a broader view of your website's activities and settings, making it easier to find what you need. Once you're on the Overview page, look for the Items section and click on it. This is where you'll manage the products that appear in your store. When you click on Items, you'll have an option to manage site items specifically. Go ahead and select Site Items to proceed. Now that you're in the Site Items section, look for a button that says Create New Item. Clicking this will allow you to start adding new products to your store's inventory. The first step in creating a new item is to specify the product type. Click on Change to select what kind of product you're selling, whether it be physical goods, services, or another category that fits your product type. After you've made your selection, confirm it by clicking on Change Item Type. Next, it's time to add some visual appeal to your product listing. Click or drag your product image into the designated area. High quality pictures can make a big impact on attracting potential buyers, so ensure your image showcases the item well. Once that's done, give your product a compelling title. This helps customers easily identify what they're purchasing. Follow that up by setting the price for your item, which is a crucial step in balancing competitiveness and profitability. Now, let's enrich your listing with details. Add a descriptive product description that highlights key features and uses of the item. Then in the visibility section, ensure your product is marked as visible so that customers can see it on your store. Decide on the fulfillment method for your product. Will it be shipped, a digital download, or perhaps a service that's provided on location? Make your selection based on this. Every product also needs an SKU, which is helpful for inventory management. Enter this unique identifier to keep track of stock levels efficiently. Finally, for better online visibility, you'll want to optimize your SEO keywords, which can attract more traffic to your page through search engines. After you've filled in all the necessary details, go ahead and click on Save to finalize the process. And that's it, your new item should now be part of your Weebly store.